Hello everyone, welcome back to Unbox Grid. Today we are looking at how to clear cache and or browser history in Chrome on an iPad. Now just before we move ahead, in Safari you have an option to clear it from the settings and then going to apps menu as well and from the browser itself, but for Chrome that's not the case. For Chrome it's very simple. Let's see how it's done. Just click on the Chrome icon and on the right top corner you will see the three dots. Click in there and here click on delete browsing data, and here you can select whatever you want to get deleted. Like the browsing history is not selected as of now. If I click it, now it gets selected. So now if I select delete browsing data, all three things, which is browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, all will get deleted. So this is how easy it is to delete the cache or the browsing history from Chrome on an iPad.